Hello, Eco Clean Queen here. It is my passion to teach you how to clean using eco-friendly cleaning methods for you, your loved ones, and your environment. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean the kitchen sink. So the reason you want to clean the sink is because it's in your kitchen area where you'll be cooking food, and it's important that it's sanitary. So I'll show you how to do it using eco-friendly cleaning methods. Now the sink is one of the last things you're going to clean in the kitchen. So once you're done with cleaning the cabinets and cleaning off the countertops and washing the dishes, then you'll go on to cleaning the sink. I will also teach you how to do it in 5 steps. A sponge, Quad Zero steel wool pad, gloves, a toothbrush, olive oil. You'll also need a surgical rag or any cloth of your choice, and baking soda. Sprinkle on the baking soda. Cut the lemon in half. Use the lemon as a scrub for the entire sink. Throw the lemon in the compost. Use the toothbrush, put a little bit of water on it, and get all the corners. Grab the Quad Zero. This is going to remove any watermarks that may be on your sink. Rinse everything. Use the sponge to dry off any excess water. And then you can squeeze it down the drain. Use your terry towel and start drying the sink. Folding your towel buff dry the sink. To make an extra shine, grab the olive oil, put just a couple of drops, and buff the sink with olive oil. Don't put it on the chrome though. The chrome, this is only for stainless steel. And there you go, a beautifully clean sink. You're gonna feel so much better because you're gonna clean it, forget about it, and then when you walk back into your kitchen, it's gonna feel amazing. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you loved this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos, hit on the subscribe button right here. Also, tap the notification bell to be notified of any other upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.